Yeah. Good morning,
Oh,
everyone.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
morning, sir.
sir.
Yeah, welcome back to our English class. How is everyone doing today? Good?
Good.
Good,
Wonder.
sir.
Yeah,
Good, sir.
wonderful. So, before we start our lesson, let me check the attendance first. Is anyone missing today?
No, sir. Everyone is here.
Okay. Everyone is here? Perfect. Glad to hear that. It means we are already energized to learn something fun today. Next slide, please. Now, class, please look at the screen. I have a quick question for you are. Where do you prefer to live? To the big city or the countryside? Who prefers living in a big city? Raise your hand.
Saya, sir.
Okay, Putri.
Yeah, because the city has many big malls and a cinema, sir.
Okay. Many malls, cool. What about the countryside? Who prefers a village? How about you, city? How about you, Laila? What do you like it?
I prefer in the countryside because the air is very fresh and it's peaceful and quiet.
Excellent, Laila. Today we are going to listen to a beautiful story about two friends from these two different places, a city mouse and a country mouse. Let's see whose life is better. Next slide, please. So, but before we watch the story, you need to know the map or the structure of a fable with a part narrative that are the four important structure that you must remember. Look at the screen. For the first is orientation. This is the opening part where we meet the characters and the setting. The second is complication. This is exciting part where the main problem conflict is or danger suddenly happens. And third is resolution, which tell us how the character solve or escape from the problem. And the last is coda, the moral lesson or the value at the end of the story. Do you get it, class?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now that you already know to the structure, let's watch the video directly. Listen carefully to the story, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next slide, please.
The city mouse and the country mouse. A version of the tale by thefablecottage.com. This is a city mouse. He lives in a big city with tall buildings and lots of shops and restaurants. But today he is visiting his friend, a country mouse. The country mouse lives in a cozy nest at the bottom of a tree. Her home is small, but it is warm and comfortable. The country mouse cooks a dinner of food from her garden. Corn, carrots, acorns, and a cold glass of water from the stream. Meanwhile, the city mouse talks and talks. The city is amazing. I go to the theater and the museum. My house has 20 rooms. You absolutely must visit. Have you ever tried Chinese food? That night, the country mouse dreams that she lives in the city. She dreams that she eats at fancy restaurants, says fancy things, and buys fancy hats from fancy stores. She dreams about eating Chinese food. How wonderful, she thinks. I want to live in the city too. The next morning, the country mouse agrees to visit the city mouse. She packs her bag and follows the city mouse back to his big house in the city. The house is enormous. There are 20 rooms full of beautiful furniture. The country mouse is amazed. Which room is mine? She asks. We actually live down here, says the city mouse. He leads her down some stairs to the basement. In the darkness, the country mouse sees many families. These are my housemates, claims the city mouse. The city mouse leads the country mouse back upstairs for dinner. In the dining room, there is a feast of delicious foods on the table. Cheese, bread, cookies, cakes, and lemonade. There is also Chinese food. But just as they start to eat, crash! A cat with sharp teeth and sharp claws jumps up on the table. The city cat chases the two mice off the table and across the floor. The mice hide in a hole. They wait silently until the cat leaves. Then they quietly creep back to the dining room. But all the food is gone. The city humans ate everything. The country mouse hurries back to the basement and packs her bag. Where are you going? Asks the city mouse. Home, she says. I want to go back to the country. Your city life isn't so wonderful after all. Now please help me call a taxi. Moral. Sometimes other people's lives are not as great as they make you believe.
Alright, this video is finished. Now it's time to test your listening comprehensions. Please look at this 6 question on the screen. I will give you around 5 minutes to write down the answer in your notebook based on what you have just heard. Your time starts now. Good luck. Okay, time's up. Now, let's check the answer together and see if you can match the answer with the correct structure. Masih tetap di slide 5 ya. Kira-kira ada yang bisa ngejawab nggak untuk pertanyaan pertama? Where does the country mouse live?
Saya, Sir.
Oke, Arsya.
The answer is she lives in a cozy nest at the bottom of tree, Sir.
Oke, great answer Arsya. Next is question number 2. Who wants to the answer this question?
I want to answer.
Oke, Laila.
The question, what does the country mouse dream about? The answer is she dream of a fancy city life and eating Chinese food.
Oke, great answer Laila. And next, who's want to answer the number 3?
Saya, Mister.
Oke, Nisa.
Okay, the question is where do the city mice actually live in the big house? They live in the dark basement, sir, and suddenly a big cat with sharp teeth jumps into the table.
Oke, great answer Nisa. Next is number 4. Where do the city mice actually live in the big city, and what animal suddenly jumps onto the table? Who's want to answer this question?
Saya, Sir.
Oke, Nisa.
They hide in the hole of the wall, in the wall, and the country mouse decide to pack her bag and go back home.
Oke. Selanjutnya untuk nomor 5, ada yang mau jawab lagi nggak? Coba.
Saya, Sir.
Ya,
Maybe the answer is she called a taxi, Sir.
ya,
Saya, Sir, mungkin mau menambahkan.
ya. Nomor 6.
Nomor 5 ya tadi ya. How do the mice escape from the cat?
Ya,
So my answer is they find a solution. So this part is what we call a resolution.
ya, tepat sekali. Untuk nih Anissa tadi kurang tepat ya. Harusnya tadi yang nomor 6 itu baru benar jawabannya.
Baik,
Lanjut
Sir.
untuk melihat jawabannya, coba kira-kira benar nggak? Ya, untuk jawaban pertama dan kedua itu masuknya orientasi ya, karena orientasi itu termasuk ke dalam pengenalan awal cerita, seperti mengenalkan siapa itu orangnya, terus setting tempatnya di mana dan lainnya. Terus untuk jawaban nomor 3 dan 4 tadi juga benar. Nah, itu tuh termasuk menjelaskan komplikasinya, karena di question 3 itu dan question 4 itu mencakup tentang konflik atau permasalahan yang ada di dalam cerita. Next line please. Nah, untuk jawaban nomor 5 dan 6 itu termasuk ke dalam resolusi dan koda. Untuk resolusinya ditanyakan kan tadi gimana sih si tikusnya bisa kabur kan? Di situ dijelasin bahwasanya tikusnya itu sembunyi di dalam tembok, dan itu adalah permasalahan. Dari permasalahan didapatkan solusi yang jawabannya seperti ini. Terus koda atau moral value, di akhir kan si tikus kan memesan taksi, terus ada pesan moral yang menceritakan eh apa itu akhir dari ceritanya harus bagaimana kan. Jadi kayak manfaat dari yang didapat dari cerita itu. Next slide please. Nah, mungkin eh, itu saja yang saya sampaikan hari ini. Semoga kalian bisa dapat ya cerita atau kesimpulan dari pelajaran listening hari ini. Untuk itu, nantinya untuk menambah pengetahuan kalian, bisa juga pengen memberikan beberapa tugas, yaitu jangan lupa untuk menuliskan cerita pendek yang kalian gunakan dan tuliskan naratif strukturnya. Kayak orientasinya apa, komplikasinya apa, resolusinya apa, dan kodenya apa. Ya, seperti itu. Kalian bisa bebas ya mencari ceritanya minimal 5 menit ke bawah. Terus kalian jangan lupa juga tuliskan strukturnya. Ya mungkin itu saja eh, yang saya sampaikan hari ini. Jangan lupa untuk mengerjakan tugas rumahnya ya. Dan wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Sir.